Ready to tackle Black Friday sales but want to spread out the cost of your haul? In this video, I'll share my top strategies for using Klarna effectively during the biggest shopping event of the year. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Black Friday and Klarna are a match made in budget heaven, but you need a plan to shop smart. First, pre-shop in the Klarna app. Before the sales begin, browse the app and add items from your favorite stores to your wishlist. This saves time when deals go live. During the sale, use Klarna's Pay in 4 inches to split large purchases into manageable chunks. This lets you buy what you need without the financial shock of a huge one-time payment. Keep an eye out for special Black Friday cashback offers or promo codes exclusively within the Klarna app, as we discussed in previous videos. A crucial pro tip: check the retailer's return policy before you buy. Black Friday items can sometimes have different return rules. Since you'll be paying overtime, you want to ensure you can return items easily if they don't work out. And just like that, you can conquer Black Friday without breaking the bank. Using Klarna for deals helps you stay on budget while you save. What's on the top of your Black Friday wishlist this year? Share it in the comments. To organize your shopping, watch our next video on how to link multiple retailers in the Klarna app. Thanks for watching.